So for my bottom bouncing setups, I use specifically in Grand Rapids, I use 9-foot ugly stick TX2s. You can get them for $30 at Walmart or $40 on fishingusa.com. And then for the actual setup itself, I use half ounce to 2 ounce weights depending on how high the river is, the flow rate. And then for the line, I use Seaguar Red Label fluorocarbon. So this stuff. If you're fishing a normal river, I'd say use 8-pound test. If you're fishing the dam at Grand Rapids, I'd say use 15. Especially in the fall when there's big kings around. And then so I go to my weight. I'll go to weight for you guys. So from the 1 ounce weights, or 2 ounce, or whatever I'm using, let's be sure. And then from those, I go to a barrel swivel. So one of these bad boys, barrel swivel, to a 4-foot or 5-foot fluorocarbon leader, to a size 4 or size 6 hook. Here are some size 6s. And to pink or orange yarn. I like the glow yarn or the UV yarn. Get these pretty cheap, about $4 from Bass Pro or $5 from Amazon. I just take a little strip of that pink yarn and cut it off. So I'll do let's say about that much is good. Cut about that much, and then wrap it around your hook to put it on your hook like a worm, and that's it. Make sure you know where you're casting. Don't cast onto rocks you're going to obviously snag. And about as simple as that. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all how to check the flow rate at Grand Rapids and what ounces of weight you should be using at what flow rates when you go bottom bouncing for fishing there. So Grand Rapids flow rate right there. And we're saying Grand River at Grand Rapids. And as we can see right now, the river is all the way up to over 10,000 cubic feet per second. So at this high, you actually need to use 2 ounces of weight to keep bounce bottom there. So 2 ounces for anything 10,000, or I've never seen it more than this high. So I'd say it from about 5,000 to 6,500 1 ounce. Well, let's say from about 4,000 to 6,500 1 ounce is fine, and then below 4,000, half an ounce is more than enough, and then above about 7,000, 7,500, 2 ounces. There's about 7,000, 8,000, maybe an ounce and a half. I never really use an ounce and a half. If I'm using an ounce and a half, might as well go 2 ounces. It's more convenient. So yeah, that's about explains it.